Cheers, everybody. It's active Rog coming at you here from beautiful Surfers Paradise here on Australia's Gold Coast. It is an absolutely gorgeous Tuesday night, just coming up to 7 p.m. It is a beautiful day. Let me swing the camera around. It is a beautiful day here in Surfers Paradise. Bit of a down phase with the cryptos. Just going to adjust my camera. Now, even though things are in a down phase, I'm still making money, as you can see here. 1.4, 2.76, 1.4, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. So, yeah, trading away. But first, let's cover some news, which has been breaking over the last day or two. First of all, Japan. A Japanese internet company called GMO Internet, which operates a range of web-related businesses, including finance, online advertising, and internet infrastructure, will be paying up to 100,000 yen, which is about $1,200 monthly, by Bitcoin to its employees from February. Well, how pretty cool is that? That's actually pretty old news. I don't know why that popped out here, but anyway. So they reckon this year they're going to start paying their employees partially in Bitcoin. So yeah, confidence in the Bitcoin. Also, Japan's largest bank, this broke 7 days ago. They're about to launch their own cryptocurrency exchange. Now, what's also interesting is that there are twice as many Bitcoin traders in Brazil as there are stock investors. Brazilians obviously don't have much faith left in their stock market. The crypto IOTA has been attacked for substandard wallet securities. Apparently, they've been hacked to the tune of $4 million. So that may well be a possible downtrend. You know what I say here? If you have ever wondered what a horrible cryptocurrency looked like, IOTA, it literally doesn't work at all. You even have to make your own private key with your own software. People all get hacked to using web-generated keys. Anyways, IOTA, I don't hold IOTA. I don't intend to. South Korea, the regulation is on its way, obviously. South Korea has indicated they will tax crypto exchanges with a 22% corporate tax and a 2.2% local income tax from all cryptocurrency exchanges in the country. So, see, those squinty-eyed faggots have discovered, well, let's not ban it like they wanted to the first time round. We can make money out of it. A bit like the like California and places in the US, which are legalizing weed. But you know what? Both weed and Bitcoin can be addictive, eh? So that pretty much covers the news. As you bump some ads on my screen, just having a look at my account. Like I said here, I have been trading actively, so I will scroll these up nice and slowly for you to have a look at. So as you can see, like Jordan Belfort said, the original Wolf of Wall Street, don't judge me on my winners, judge me on my losers, because I have so few of them. So we've got to keep scrolling back. These are all my trades over the last 30 days. As you can see, not much red there. Here's another one. And that's pretty much about it. Let's just have a look at the Bitcoin price and Ethereum price, because these are the two major ones that I follow, my so-called blue chips. So just having a look here on the 1 hour chart, going back over the last 24 hours, a pretty significant drop from the Bitcoin, up from the 14,000 handle, and it bottomed out just below 10,000. But it seems to be trending back up. Remember also that there's a new round of futures contracts being traded in the US on Bitcoin, which I really believe should see that upward trend continue. So if we look at Bitcoin, for example, like I said, it is just gone 7 p.m. on Tuesday, 23rd of January 2018. We'll just go to, say, a 10-minute chart. And you can see it's definitely a very strong rise. Now look at the other screen over there, and Ethereum is also rising. So let's switch over, and as you can see on the 1 hour chart, going back to the drop here. Actually, that's the 10-minute chart. So we'll just make a comparison between Ethereum and Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin at about 1800 hours. Down she went, a nice steady plunge down to the 9,500 sort of range. That's the Toro prices. So we look at the same pattern, and you can see there is a very strong relationship. Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin, Ether. I can make my rap song about this, but I won't. Now, just having a look at Ether, because I have some positions open there. Go back, let's look at the 5-minute chart, see what's happening this afternoon. It's definitely starting to trend back up. Now, I do have some Ether positions open. I'm going to update you guys hopefully in the morning when they close, because I really do expect it to go back to that 1,050 level. This big dump here, I see this thing creeping back up overnight. So anyways, now the eToro thing, it's pretty cool. It's got a social media aspect, but the problem with eToro, a lot of people have been telling me, aside from their spreads, there's also like they're an overseas company located far, far away. They have a very easy to use platform, so you can't really dispute that. Lots of charting. You can copy people. You can trade EFTs. You can trade stocks. You can trade currencies. You can trade gold, silver, and a few other things. Obviously, cryptos as well. I came across last year an Aussie company, and that's why I'm going to launch a cryptocurrency trading course for Aussies, just in time for Australia Day, which is coming up at the end of this week, on Friday, in fact, 26th of January. So this is a company called CoinSpot. Now, I'm just waiting for the other deposit to come through. I chucked $10 in there, and I bought some Stellar. Now, what's different between CoinSpot and eToro is when I open a trade on eToro, so let's go to Ethereum, and I want to buy some Ethereum. And like Bulla says, it's really easy to use. Enter the amount, and basically, you hit trade, you enter the amount, and obviously now I need to deposit some funds, but it's really easy to use. Now, you don't have Ethereum or Bitcoin in your wallet. What you're actually doing is you're trading. If I look at my history, for example, and I'll do small trades. I'm a micro trader. I'm not this kind of person that throws thousands of dollars on there in the trade. It's at 25, 25, 25, 25. And as you can see, I'm not trading with big dollars. Now, these are the trades I'm holding over from Christmas. And as the Bitcoin starts retreating back into the 17,000 and 18,000 categories, I'll start recouping those short-term losses. Just a matter of catching the downswing. So as you can see here, like 1%, 1.8, we go down a page. 4.4. So what you're looking at there is that you've got small profits, 46 cents, 45, 36, and so forth, which gets deposited back as you close the trade in fiat currency. Now, CoinSpot is different because, okay, I've bought Ethereum, but I don't own any Ethereum, so that's eToro. But for example, if as I have, I bought Stellar. I open my wallet. Now let's pretend that's Ethereum on eToro. Well, I can actually transfer Stellar to, say, Bitfinex, Binance, or one of the other trading platforms, and CoinSpot will send up for me. Now that's what you actually call owning your, owning your coins. Now, I can actually sell those. Obviously, I can sell the whole lot back to CoinSpot, and they will credit me with fiat dollars, Aussie dollars, back into my account. So with eToro, it's different. You're buying a futures contract. So even though they say you own cryptos, you actually physically don't. So what I'm going to be doing for Australia Day is going to show you people how easy this is, because with, for example, CoinSpot, you have a wallet where you can basically buy Stellar, Stratus, Ethereum, basically a whole bunch of coins. It's a pretty comprehensive list. I know Binance, for example, have a couple of hundred. But this is pretty good because it allows you just to hold the coins, and as the value rises, you can dump them back and change them back into Aussie dollars. And then what you can do is you can go to your account. You can make a withdrawal. Now, where did that go? A couple of things have been moved around. I can withdraw dollars, and then I can deposit it back into my Australian bank account. So I give them my bank name, the account number, BSB, and account number. Now, obviously, the name of the bank has to be the same as what if used to deposit with CoinSpot. Now, also, because CoinSpot actually deal in fiat currencies, when you do sign up, and there's a link below with CoinSpot, it is best for Aussie customers because provide your driver's license, obviously they don't like passports, and you have to do a selfie holding a piece of paper. Kind of quaint and silly, but it's what they call KYC, know your customer. So these guys are certainly trying to be as compliant as possible, which is what we want. And they're also a member of the Australian Digital Commerce Association. But enough about CoinSpot. Just a big quick update for tonight. Running a little bit over time, so I hope you guys had an awesome week so far as we reached the halfway mark. Yeah, still rising. Let's go back to the charts. For me, not I'm giving any investment advice, but you know what? Now is a damn good time to buy Bitcoin or ETH or any cryptocurrency, the major ones. So have a look at this. You know, like we're on a rising trend. You know, you get in there now. It's going to go back to the 1050, 1100 handle over the next few days as the whole thing rebounds. So hey, come on, throw all your money at the cryptos, eh? So get into it. If you've got any questions, anything you'd like today, just flick me a message and I'll answer that for you. Also, go to activerog.com, my website, and follow me on Facebook. eToro. No, you don't have to actually put money into it. You can join eToro and just use a demo account just to follow my trades and what I'm doing there, and also be setting up a separate blog for the trading I'm doing on CoinSpot. Now, I look at, say, eToro as more of a long-term hold because of the $25 withdrawal fee, and just because they're far away kind of company. But I like the idea of having somebody local. Now, these guys are actually located in Melbourne here in Australia, CoinSpot. So, yep, definitely my choice, as long as the platform keeps working and it's a very simple one. You're actually physically holding wallets, and you can move funds out. So, like Binance, for example, you can trade not just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever, against fiat, like a US dollar, like with CoinSpot. So when I'm buying, say, Stellar there, for example, I'm basically buying it with Australian dollars and converting it back into Australian dollars. The good thing about having these guys here, obviously, is that they're a local company, and I can have funds deposited straight back into my Macquarie account. So it's pretty happy about that. You know, it's got a Visa debit card, so that way I'm trading the cryptos and be able to enjoy the fruits of my labour in the the fiat world until we're going to get to a stage one day where I go to a restaurant, get my lobster mornay and my bottle of moe for me and my girl, and then they go, oh, look at that, they accept Stratos, or they accept Stellar or something like that, and I just go to my CoinSpot wallet and go pop, 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 and move the funds across, and bon appetit, and have an awesome night. Anyways, and that's what I'm going to pitch to you guys now. Have an awesome night, live with passion, see you at the top, buy them Bitcoins, buy them cryptos, and God bless.